Okay, so one of the biggest complaints that I hear a lot and have had myself too is that I keep seeing the same people on Instagram all the time, and I know I follow a lot more, but like, where the heck is their content? I got an answer. Figured out this really fun little trick. So, first thing you want to do, go to your Instagram profile. Pretty simple. Start up here and tap the number of people you're actually following. There is this fantastic little section right here that shows the people you are the least interacted with, right? So if you tap on those accounts, in the past 90 days, these are the people that I've not interacted with in stories, by liking their stuff, commenting, sharing, whatever. So as a result of me not liking them, they've dropped out of my feed. Super simple way to fix that is just go back into each one of these accounts and either choose that, like, yes, you still want to follow them. You can unfollow if you don't. I think I unfollowed like 300 accounts that were just not sharing anything of quality anymore. And quite frankly, if you're not adding to my life and my feed and my inspiration, then like, bye, we don't need that, right? You don't need the cloggy stuff. You want all the good stuff. But then all you have to do is go through and be like, oh my gosh, they really think that's beautiful. Scroll through their feed, either like a few things. If you really like them as a company and you want to give them an extra little boost, hit this little button right here. This is a save. Saving things is one of the best things that you can do for people because it's a really easy way to support another business. The more saves you do and the more saves that an account receives, the more they get prioritized and shown to other people. This is what we all want, right? Brand awareness. Now, I'm going to mix it up, and I'm going to take you over to my personal profile because there's a second thing that you can do with this. I know, amazing. So I'm going to do the same thing I did before, and I'm going to tap on the people that I follow, all right? And then what you'll see is the least interacted with, which is the ones that have dropped out of your feed, but you'll also see the people you interact with the most. So again, you can decide, like, as if social media truly to my liking, right? Is it benefiting me, or like am I constantly getting bombarded with shit that like I just don't want to see anymore? So go to the ones that you've actually interacted with the most and you can choose who you don't want to see anymore, right? And just unfollow them. Okay? It's super simple like that. That's it, right? You can also, if you want to stay supporting them, you can just go and click this button down here, which is mute. Okay, so thank you, Sully, for adding to this conversation. You tap unfollow, or you tap the three dots next to it, and you'll have manage, right? You can actually get notifications for people, or you can mute them. And that way you'll still be a follower of theirs, and you'll be supporting their business or them as a human, but you don't have to see their stuff anymore, which could be nice. Take no offense to this, my friend. I actually like this person, just using her as an example. Okay. But that is a really great way to go through and actually mix up your feed. And what you're going to find out is that the people you weren't interacting with are going to start showing up. And because you've interacted with them, they're also going to start interacting with you more. Oh my gosh, right? It's fantastic. So I went through and I unfollowed about 300 accounts. I said that like, we're just not serving me or my clients or my purpose anymore. And I started re-engaging with the people that I wanted to see. Well, now they see more of my things as well. And I notice my interaction and my numbers and stories and my views have all gone up, right? And we're talking fast, like within a couple of days, you're going to automatically see those impressions and the number of people you're reaching go up. Super fast little hack. I can't believe I just used the word hack. I hate those. But yes, it's a fun little trick, rather, that you can do to take advantage of one more of the fantastic things that Instagram provides us, but still actually see the people you want to.